So this is the baby Brezza milk maker. Yan. Ito water compartment. And this is the formula. So yan. The temperature regulator. The display. And nakaset na siya sa 60 ml. And turn on off button. This is the start. And this one, we'll just put it in here. And after every 4 bottles na magagamit, huhugasan na to. This one, you just take it out from here and you wash it. Okay, so I will show you how to operate this one. Yeah, just press here. So, may 60 ml na tayo. Milk. Okay. Simple na. We have 60 ml. Okay.